This is all going to make so much more sense if we start thinking about our bodies as little smurf villages. We are having a wee chit chat all about antioxidants, why your skin, brain, gut, metabolism all love and need these little teeny molecules. Besides the vanity aspect, because I would really like my skin to look like a baby's bum for as long as it possibly can, your skin health is a really good indication of what's actually happening in your gut, your biological age, and just your overall metabolic health. If your cells on the outside aren't doing too good, then it's a pretty good indicator that something inside is not very happy. In terms of skin, antioxidants are combating those nasty free radicals that are just damaging your collagen proteins and your elastin proteins in your skin, keeping it bouncy, youthful, like a baby's bum. We all know smokers definitely tend to age faster and have a lot more wrinkly skin. All the toxic chemicals from smoking create a lot of free radicals and drives oxidative stress. And that just totally speeds up the wrinkling process, the aging process, and damages your skin. Having all these free radicals running wild, floating around your system totally damages your cellular health. This can actually accelerate the wrinkling and the aging process, and that's kind of why smokers are quite a bit older looking. Also, your gut plays a major role in detox. If you're chronically constipated or have gut inflammation, then your gut can't properly detox. So when we get these like little nasty pimples, it could just mean your body's trying to detox what it can't through your gut. Now, as we really jump into this whole antioxidants thing, I'm gonna let you know right now, we are going to be using a very lovely analogy, thinking about your body as a smurf village. And I promise this little smurf analogy will make it so much more clear. Your whole body is the smurf village and your cells are the little smurfs. All the little smurfs in your village have specific jobs. Some of these smurfs are making hormones. Some of these smurfs are literally turning food into energy. Some smurfs detox. They're on like the waste control. Some other smurfs literally have to send neurotransmitters to other smurfs, like they're sending text messages or like they're the mailman smurf. And oh no, my mascara. Okay, and a little word on fat storage. Maybe too much food shows up in the village. Some of these smurfs are actually going to take the extra food and put it away for storage. If there's ever an emergency and the smurfs are so freaking hungry and they can't get any work done, they're going to tap into the storage and use that for energy so they can start working again, like making hormones, making muscle, or making neurotransmitters. The smurfs that give everybody energy are your mitochondria. Let's just imagine these little blue smurfs whipping up some magic potions, giving them to all the other smurfs like, here guys, here's your energy, here's your energy, here's your energy. These smurfs are pumping out energy potions for the whole village so everybody can do their job. And then Gargamel shows up and he's like, bam, thunderstorm. I'm gonna take away your potion, or I'm gonna put lizard's feet in your potion and mess it up. The bad smurfs are the free radicals and Gargamel is like the oxidative stress. All they do is just hurt the smurfs, hurt the smurf village, cause damage, inflammation, and they make it really tough for the good little blue guys to actually do their job. This is literally what free radicals are doing in your body. By the way, the painting that's right there, I did when I was like 6 years old or 7 years old. I'll show you guys later. But I just think it's super cute. So we've established we do not want Gargamel and his bad little smurfs running around wild in our bodies. So we're gonna jump to the solution. It's really good for you and all the smurfs of your body. It basically means we can give our smurfs lots of dark chocolate, avocados, berries, all that good stuff. In this segment, we are going to go over what precisely exactly are free radicals? Free radicals are these super destructive, reactive, highly unstable molecules that just float around your body. They come from chemical exposure to toxins like cigarette smoke, car exhaust, pesticides. Your normal functioning immune system also produces free radicals. Just even as your body makes energy and digests food, free radicals are produced. Food that causes too much free radicals is food like oxidized fats. If you're cooking with vegetable oil, or you're getting these oils that are coming in clear plastic containers that are just like being left on the shelf or next to your oven in the heat, not like in the oven but beside the oven, you're actually oxidizing the fat molecules, which is generating free radicals in your body. Eating high sugary foods And just chronically spiking your blood sugar creates certain types of free radicals. So your body has a natural ability to deal with some of these free radicals, but the problem is in our environment, we're just exposed to way too many. We can't deal with them all. What these antioxidants are doing is they're actually combating the free radicals and reducing inflammation. So when these antioxidants meet up with the free radicals, they stabilize them so they're not super reactive and destructive. Antioxidants have actually been proven to reduce inflammation and boost your memory, boost cognitive function, and especially in patients with cognitive decline, antioxidants can actually improve brain power and reduce symptoms of metabolic syndrome or insulin resistance syndrome. High level overview. Free radicals are these unstable molecules. They're missing electrons, so they do all this damage because they're trying to get their electrons back. If you're a molecule and your electrons get stolen, you're not going to be a very healthy molecule. Antioxidants donate their electrons to the free radical, and this stabilizes it so it can't even do any more damage. In terms of food, we know these food-like substances and processed BS food stuff is driving inflammation and free radicals. On the other hand, all these like dark colored berries, plants, vegetables, nuts, grains, legumes, salmon also, these are all great sources of antioxidants, and these are doing like everything for your health. Beyond food and into your blood sugar, chronic blood sugar spikes lead to having too much sugar floating around our blood. And sugar is super sticky. So we have these natural, healthy proteins and fats hanging around our blood. But when we have the extra sugar floating in there too, the sugar can cling on to the healthy proteins and fats, and it's glycating them. Glycated molecules literally cannot fit inside your cells. They can't do their job properly because now they've got like this sugar covered in them. Imagine your smurf showing up to the little smurf factory ready to do his job, but he's covered in honey. He is totally gonna wreck the place. He's not gonna produce his hormones. He's not gonna get his messages out. He's not gonna be able to turn the food into energy because he's covered in sugar. He's glycated. Just in general, chronically spiking your blood sugar can lead to issues like metabolic syndrome, dysregulated hormones, increased fat storage, and even increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes. A really good way to protect your health is just keep your blood sugar nice, happy, steady, smooth, and stable. That's a lot of adjectives. How is sugar actually aging us? It happens at your cells when these glycated molecules, these sticky smurfs, show up to work. Having more of these glycated molecules in your system really damages your heart health, brain health, and your cognitive function. It also can oxidize cholesterol. That basically means you're damaging your cholesterol molecules. The biggest cause of this is diet and lifestyle. Eating more antioxidant-rich foods can combat free radicals, and it works to suppress inflammation. Simply eating flavanol-rich foods, flavanol is a type of antioxidant, actually help reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. For your brain health, diets rich in antioxidants have been associated with reduced risk of cognitive decline and actually improved function of your memory and overall cognitive tasks. So obesity causes a lot of inflammation and hormonal irregularities. It's super dangerous for your brain health and especially your mental health. And the Mediterranean diet, which is loaded with these antioxidant-rich foods, was actually proven to significantly increase cognitive function in obese women. So in this little study, the women eating the Mediterranean diet lost a small amount of weight, but the most significant finding was the huge improvement in brain health. It wasn't just the diet that improved their brain, but actually losing a small amount of weight help change the brain structure and function in a better way. Here's the other super exciting part about brain health. Quite a few studies have looked at lycopene, zeaxanthins, and carotenoids in particular. They all kind of find that carotenoids, now we're focusing on carotenoids. So these carotenoids can actually significantly improve cognitive function even into old age and old age patients with cognitive decline. Thank you so much for watching this video. All this information is coming from my guide to antioxidants, which you can get on my website, nutritionbyelsa.com. The link is going to be in the description. I would love for you guys to check it out. There is so much more information to be unpacked here about your hormones, your gut, your skin, your brain, which I really just think is the coolest part. All my references and citations are included in there also. So if you want to check me on whatever I say, if you're thinking like, whoa, this girl's crazy, let's check her out, you can check my references and citations down there or in the chat or in the description right here. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. Go have some dark berries and dark chocolate. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.